Char grills should be cleaned every day and during excess cooking periods to help prevent buildup that could catch on fire, to keep the units working properly, and to ensure food quality is maintained. Be extremely careful and use proper PPE equipment when cleaning these units to avoid burns. While the char grill is still hot but turned off, scrape the top of the grates with a wire brush to remove stuck-on food particles. Carefully flip the grates over using PPE heat gloves to avoid touching the hot surface, and scrape the bottom side of the grates with your wire brush as well. Never pour water on hot grates or radiants to quickly cool them down, as this will cause the metal to warp. This warping will prevent the grates and radiants from sitting in their position correctly, so you'll wind up needing to replace them more often. When the char grill has completely cooled without assistance, remove the grates and soak them in degreaser solution in your 3-comp sink. These can be soaked overnight if needed. After soaking, scrub any remaining residue from them, rinse with hot water, dry completely, and apply cooking oil to prevent rusting. Remove the radiants and clean in your dish sink with hot water and degreaser. Rinse with hot water to remove all traces of degreaser and dry completely. While the grates and radiants are still removed, take a damp cloth or sponge soaked in a mild soap and water solution and clean the rest of the surfaces around the grill. If there is any caked on grease or food, use a flat scraper to remove the deposits. If the flat scraper isn't enough, use degreaser solution to help remove the excess. If the degreaser is used though, be sure to thoroughly rinse the degreaser away after use. Never use a grill spatula or any other cooking or prep utensils when cleaning char grills. Empty the deflector tray and crumb tray into a trash can after the contents have cooled. It is important to make sure the contents are cool, as hot crumbs and debris can melt trash bins or ignite other debris in the trash can. Clean these items in your dish sink with hot water and mild soap. Once the grates, radiants, deflector tray, and crumb tray have dried, place them back in the char grill. If you have any issues or questions with these processes, please reach out to your regional facilities manager.